There's a dangerous flaw in the American mindset. Somewhere along the way, we convinced ourselves we're machines, built to run non-stop. Yesterday in the ER, I watched that belief almost cost a man his life. He was admitted with diabetic ketoacidosis DK. His blood sugar was dangerously high. His body was under severe stress, and this wasn't new. It was his second admission this year for the exact same thing. We stabilized him, barely 12 hours later. He was trying to leave against medical advice. He was trembling. He could barely stand. But he looked at me and said, "Doctor, I have a deadline. Too much is riding on me today." I told him to delegate. I told him his team could handle things for 48 hours. He stared straight at me and said 7 words that stopped me cold. "No one can do my job." That right there, that's the delusion. We think we're indispensable. But here's the truth. If something happened to you tomorrow, the job would be filled. But the seat you leave empty at home may never be. You are replaceable at work. You are irreplaceable to your life. Stop buying the lie. Subscribe to WellNest, where we help you put your health first and focus on what truly matters.